morning, class.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you today?
We are fine. Thank you, and you?
I'm fine too. Thank you. Before we start your lesson, let's say Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Di sini udah ada yang pernah baca cerita rakyat? Belum. Pernah nonton? Apa? Judulnya apa? Malin Kundang Nadifah?
Itu bukan. Situ Bagending.
Situ Bagending. Kita?
No.
Belum pernah?
Romeo
So, hari ini kita akan belajar terkait naratif teks. Jadi di naratif teks itu ada legend, ada banyak sekali cerita-cerita nanti, oke? Narrative text is a text that tells a story to entertain, most or teach moral values to the reader. Jadi, naratif itu menceritakan tentang asal-usul suatu tempat yang atau adat istiadat dari tempat tersebut, dan pendarat itu mempunyai saran untuk si pembaca. Contoh dari naratif teks ada Malin Kundang, Cinderella, The Legend of Tobal, Snow White, and lain-lain. Tujuan dari naratif teks itu untuk entertain, most and teach moral values. Next, ada chapter dari naratif teks. Itu kita bisa dibacakan.
The general structure of narrative text. First is orientation. Introduce the character, setting, and time of the story. Second, complication. Present the problem or conflict in the story. And the last, resolution. So shows how the problem is solved and how the story ends.
Jadi, struktur dari naratif teks itu ada 3. Yang pertama ada orientation, complication, and resolution. Next, naratif teks mempunyai language feature. Ada apa aja? Bisa disebutkan, Mbak Fatma?
Oh ya, oke. Simple past tense, action verb, tense connective, and adverb of time.
Mbak Nadifah bisa disebutkan simple past tense-nya apa aja?
Contohnya give, she went,
And?
they silent. Ini verbnya di mana nih?
The silent.
Silent, oke.
And action verbnya?
Action verb contohnya walk, say, help, pray, refuse, and earn.
And next, yang ketiga?
Yang ketiga, time connected. Contohnya, once upon a time, one day, after that, finally.
Yes, and the last?
Adverb of time. Ada suddenly, then, dan afterwards.
of hair. And resolution, the mother tried to put and maling kundang was turned into stone. Jadi maling kundang itu tidak mau mengakui ibunya si maling kundang itu sebagai ibunya setelah maling kundang menjadi kaya. Akhirnya ibunya merasa kecewa dan maling kundang dituntut menjadi ratu. Udah paham ya terkait naratif teks?
Yes,
Yeah. So, Miss have a simple text. Di sini kan gambarnya masih acak ya. Miss minta kalian susun agar gambar ini menjadi urutan yang sesuai. Dan di sini ada teksnya. Miss minta kalian susun juga terkait teksnya agar sesuai dengan cerita maling kundang. Miss kasih waktu 25 menit cukup? Cukup. Oke. Dimulai dari sekarang ya.
Tempel nih.
Iya, ditempel.
Ini di kertas
Di kertas ini.
Ini?
Iya, di sini juga. Kita ada yang mau ditanyakan? Oke, udah paham ya? Nanti kalau udah minta kalian maju ke depan, terus ceritakan terkait maling kundang, oke? Dibaca dulu ya, dipelajari dulu. Sudah? Oke, udah siap maju depan? Belum. Ayo maju ya. Ini maju depan. Apakah udah sesuai dengan tesnya? Ya.
Long time ago, there lived a poor woman and her son named Maling Kundang. They lived in a small village by the beach. And Maling Kundang was a hardworking and kind boy. He always helped his mother in their daily life. And Maling Kundang grew up to be a strong and successful young man. He met a beautiful woman and became a rich merchant. And one day, Maling Kundang said goodbye to his mother and sailed to a faraway land to seek his fortune. And then,
Next, after many years, Maling Kundang returned to his hometown with his big ship and many servants. Ini gimana nih?
Yang mana?
Servant. And Maling Kundang was angry and refused to admit that the old woman was his mother. He was ashamed of her. Then the mother was heartbroken and prayed to God. Suddenly, a strong wind came and Maling Kundang was turned into